How to change VLC recording save location. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change your VLC recording save location on your laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to open up VLC media player. After that, navigate to the toolbar at the top, and from there you have to click on tools. Once you see this menu box, click on preferences. So under preferences, again head towards input or codecs. So once you're under input and codecs settings, navigate to the section that says record directory or file name. So here click on browse, and now from your device you have to select the directory or the folder or the location where you want to save your recording on. Once you select your folder, you have to click on select folder. After that, click on save. And with that, you have changed your VLC recording location. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.